Right, I'm going to show you today some feathering up chicks. You've already seen these, but not in this. Not with this many feathers on. This is a blue and yellow one. Tell me, baby. Come on, then. Sit round here. There we are. Lovely colours on that one. We've got our friend the yellow one. There's my angel off the Christmas tree, feathered up now. Look. Just follow it. There he is. Go on, it's in there. And then we get this little blue one. The blue and grey one. There we are. 3 little baby budgies. Oh yeah, little babies, aren't you? Yeah. Go on then, back to mummy. There they are. Now we're going to go down and see, not so feathered up now, down this box. And this one, many days ago, you've seen the first hatching in here, the little tiny chick with a load of eggs. Now what we've got now are those little tiny chicks with no eggs. You get some grey and yellow in this one. Down in here now. Come on, baby. Here we go. See this one? We've got twins. And then this little chappy here, look. Haven't got any feathers at all yet, this little fella. He's going to be yellow by the look of it. There we are, little bunch of fluffies. There you go, back in. Mum will come in and sort all them out. She'll put them back how she wants them. Now we're going down to the next box. There we go. Mum's in there with them. Here we are. Come on then, baby. There we are. There you go. Say hello to everybody. Oh, we got 2 little more ones here. There we are. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Yeah. A bit of there you go. There he is. Mum's coming in. Look after him again. Now up here in this box up here, we've got a new front on this now, haven't we? Pet shop's come through with new front. Come on then. Come on, say hello to everybody. Say hello. How are you? Hello, how are you? Look, he's gone. Never mind then. Right, we'll go down here for have a look in this one. We'll do a bit of capturing later on that one that's escaped. Here we go. Hello, how are you? This one's yellowy and bluey. Yellowy and bluey, all that going on here. Hey. No? Oh, look at this one. Come in blue, aren't you? Hey, come in blue. And then we've got Mr. Noisy in here. Hello, Mr. Noisy. Look at this one, look. Aren't you? Hey. There we are. 3 fluffies in there. There you go then. Off you go. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye for now.